Hello, my dear students. How are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself, Nilofer Miss, and my subject is Mathematics. So, dear students, are you all ready to attend this online session? So, let's start the today's online lecture. But before we begin our lecture, let's see one quote that useful into your life. So here is the quote that be strong than your excuse. Don't make any excuse for the study that I don't know this sum, I don't know the tables, I don't have any time, I don't have pencil, I don't have eraser, that etc. Just be strong than your excuse. Any problem will come, you have to be strong to just face away that problem. So be strong than your excuse. Don't make any excuse for the study. It will be a make you strong. Now we are continue this chapter, which is chapter number 8, exploring multiplication further. This is the name of the chapter. So let's start the revision of the previous lecture. As you know, dear students, that we always do revision of the previous lecture first and then we will move to the today's topic. So today also we are revising the previous topic and then we will move to the today's topic. So let's start the multiplication fact table first and then we'll move to the next. So here is number 1, 2 fours are. 2 fours is equal to 8. Then what is the multiplication fact of this? If here is 2 fours are 8, so we can write down 4 twos are 8. I hope that now we are revising this table so many times. So now you are able to write down this table by yourself and speak the answer with me only. So let's start this doing the table. So number 2, here is 2 sevens are. 2 sevens is equal to 14. 2 sevens are 14. Then what is the multiplication fact for it? If here is 2 sevens are 14, so we can write down 7 twos are 14. If here is 7 twos are 14, so we can write down 2 sevens are 14. Then the next one, number 3, here is 2 threes are is equal to 6. 2 threes are 6. So we can write down the new multiplication fact is 3 twos are 6. If here is 2 threes are 6, so we can write down 3 twos are 6. Then number 4, which is 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. And the multiplication fact is 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. And just focus on the answer of the both the table. The answer, the product is same. There is no any different will come if we are changing the numbers. Now the number 5, here is 2 fives is equal to 10. 2 fives are 10. Then the multiplication fact is 5 twos are 10. If we are writing 2 fives are 10, so we can write down the new multiplication fact is 5 twos are 10. Then the number 6, if here is 2 ones are 2, so we can write down the new multiplication fact is 1 twos are 2. You can see this. If here is 2 ones are 2, so we can write down 1 twos are 2. Then number 7, here is 2 tens are 20. Here is number 7, 2 tens are 20. So we can write down the new multiplication fact is 10 twos are 20. Here is 2 tens are 20. So we can write down 10 twos are 20. Then number 8 is 2 6 are 12. Here is number 8. 2 6 are 12. So we can write down here 6 2s are 12. It is very easy. If here is 2 6 are 12, so we can write down 6 2s are 12. Then the number 9. 2 8s are 16. Here is 2 8s are 16. So we can write down 8 2s are 16. If here is 2 8s are 16, so we can write down 8 2s are 16. Then number 10, which is 2 2s are 4. So here the new multiplication fact will be same, which is 2 2s are 4 because both the digits are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then the number 11, 2 9s are 18. You can see this number 11, 2 9s are 18. So the new multiplication fact is 9 2s are 18. If here is 2 9s are 18, so we can write down 9 2s are 18. Now number 12, 3 2s are 6. Here is 3 2s are 6. So we can write down 2 3s are 6. I repeat this. If here is 3 2s are 6, so we can write down 2 3s are 6. Now number 13, 6 2s are 12. Here is number 13, 6 2s are 12. Now we can write down the multiplication fact is 2 6 are 12. If here is 6 2s are 12, so we can write down 2 6 are 12. Then the number 14, 1 2s are 2. We can write down this 1 2s are 2. So the new multiplication fact is 2 1s are 2. Now the next one, number 15 and also the last, 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0. So the new multiplication fact will be 2 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now the previous topic was multiplying 2-digit number. It was our previous topic. So we have to revise this topic here and then we will move to the next one. But before it, let's revise the previous topic here. So let's see the example of it. Here is the step number 1 to solve the multiplication sum. First step is multiply 2 with 1's value. Here you can see this, we can say the table number 2 and multiply it to 1's value, which is 4. So we can multiply first 2 number with the 1's value, which is 4. 2 4s is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8. Now step 2 is multiply 2 with the 10's value. First we have to multiply with the 1's value and then we have to multiply with the 10's value. You have to see this number, we have to speak this table. If here is 3 number, we have to speak the table number 3. But here is the 2 number, so we have to speak the table number 2. Here is 2 and we have to speak the table number 2 till the 4. 2 4s are 8. We can write down this way. Then in the step 2 we have to speak the table number 2 till the number 2. 2 2s are 4. So now this sum is complete. This sum is solved. So let's solve this both the steps together. So you will be better understood this. Now first of all, 2 4s we have to multiply 2 number with the 1's value first. 2 4s 2 4s 8. Now we can multiply 2 with the 10's value, which is 2. 2 2s 4. You can see this. Here we are getting the answer 48 and you can call it the product also in the place of answer. You can call it the product. So here is our product is 48. Now the next one. So first of all here we have to, the next example is step 1. So what is the step 1? So we have to multiply number 3 with the ones value. Here is the number 3. What it means? It means we have to speak the table number 3. As I told you before also, this chapter is totally based on the table. If you are knowing the table, this chapter is very easy for you to solve, to understand. And if you are not knowing the table, it will be a very hard to you. So please learn and write the tables. It will be a very easy and helpful to you. Now you can see this. Now to solve these sums, we are using the table only. If you are knowing the table, it will be a very helpful to us. I am knowing the table, that's why I am easily solve this sum. And if you are knowing the tables, you also can easily solve the sum and exercise by yourself. Now here in the step 1, we have to multiply 3 with the ones value. So the ones value is 2. So we have to speak the table number 3 till the 2. So here is 3 2s are 6. You can see this. I am putting the answer 3 2s are 6. Now the step 2 and multiply 3 with the tens value. So here is we have to speak table number 3 till the 3. 3 3s are 3 3s are 9. So here this sum is solved now. So let's do both the steps together to solve these sums. It will be a very helpful to you to understood this. Now let's multiply 3 with the ones value, which is 2. 3 2s are 3 2s are is equal to 6. Now we can multiply number 3 with the tens value. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So here we are getting the product, which is 96. 32 multiplied by 3 is equal to 96. Here is our answer 96. Now the next example. Here is the step 1. Multiply 4 with ones value. So here is we have to speak the table number 4 with the ones value till the number 2. So here is 4 2s are is equal to 8. 4 2s are 8. So here step 1 is complete. So let's move to the step number 2. So in this we have to multiply 4 with tens value. We have to multiply number 4 with the tens value. So 4 1s are 4. Now both the step is complete. So let's do this both the steps together. So it will be easy for you to understand. Now let's multiply number 4 with the ones value. 4 2s are 8. Here is 4 2s are 8. Now let's multiply this 4 with the tens value, which is 1. 4 1s are 4. So we are getting the answer that 12 multiplied by 4 is equal to 48. So here is the answer. Now let's do some practice sums for you, so you will be better understood this. First of all, 2 1s are. We have to multiply 2 with the ones value. 2 1s are 2. Then we multiply 2 with the tens value, which is 2. 2 2s are 4. So here is the product 42 we are getting. Now the next one, 2 2s are sum number 2. We have to multiply 2 with the ones value. 2 2s are is equal to 4. 2 2s are 4. Then we can multiply with the tens value. 2 4s are. 2 4s are is equal to 8. So we are getting the product 84. Then the next one, 2 3s are. 2 3s are is equal to 6. Then 2 5s are is equal to 10. 2 5s are 10 and 2 3s are 6. So we are getting the answer in the 3 digit 106. Now the next one, 2 4s are. 2 4s are 8. Here is 2 4s are 8. Then 2 8s is equal to 16. We can write down easily this sum. This is very easy and totally based on the table. Then the next one here is 3 3s. 3 3s is equal to 9. 3 3s 9 and 3 4s is equal to 12. 3 4s 12. So we can write down this 12 as it is. Now the next sum here is 3 2s. 3 2s is equal to 6. 3 2s 6. Then 3 5s 15. Just write down the answer as it is. Now the next one 2 4s. 2 4s 8 and 2 6s 12. We can write down the answer this way. Now the next one here is 3 2s is equal to 6 and 3 9s 27. So now let's next move to the next one. We are speaking the table number 4. 4 2s 8 and 4 5s 20. So we are getting the answer 208. Then the next one 4 1s 4. Here is 4 1s 4. I am writing the number 4. 4 1s 4. Then 4 7s 28. Here is 4 7s 28. Then the next one 4 2s. Here is 4 2s 8 and 4 9s 36. You can see I am writing the answer that 4 9s 36. Then the last one 4 2s 8 and 4 3s 12. So we are getting the answer 128. Now let's see exercise 8b. I hope that this exercise is complete in your fair book and textbook and also in a rough book. You have to complete this exercise in the 3 of the books: fair book, textbook and rough book. If you don't have textbook, then just skip it. Just write down in fair book and rough book. Then the next one here is the exercise 8b. We have to revise it. Here is find the product. What it means? Find the product, it means find the answer. Number A, sum number A 3 2s. Here is 3 2s 6. We can write down this way that 3 2s 6. Then 3 3s. We have to multiply this 3 with the tens value. 3 3s 9. So the product is 96. Then the sum number B. We have to speak the table number 4. 4 2s. 4 2s 8. Then we can multiply 4 with the tens value. 4 1s 4. So the product of number B is 48. Now sum number C. We have to speak the table number 6. 6 1s 6. So here is we are writing the answer 6. Again 6 1s 6. So you can call it 11 6s 66. Then the sum number D 21 multiplied by 3. So 3 1s 3. Then we can multiply number 3 with the tens value. 3 2s 6. 21 multiplied by 3 is equal to 63. Then the sum number E 1 5s. 1 5s 5. Then multiply 1 with the tens value, which is 7. 1 7s 7. Then the sum number F 2 2s 4 and 2 4s 8. If here is 2 2s 4, then 2 4s 8. So the product of sum number F is 84. Then the next one, sum number G. So let's pick the table number 1. 3 1s 3. We can write down this way. 3 1s 3. Then let's multiply 3 with the tens value, which is 3. 3 3s 9. Here is 3 3s 9. Now the product of sum number G is 93. Now the sum number H, 1 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Then 1 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5. So 50 multiplied by 1, 50 ones are 50. So the product of number h is 50. Then the sum number I, 2 3s are 6. And we multiply 2 with the 2. 2 2s are 4. So the product of sum number I is 46. Now the last sum of the exercise 8b. Here is 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Then 3 1s are 3. Now this is complete. So let's move to the next. Exercise is finished now. So we have to move to the next. Here is the extra sum right in the fair book. So I have some extra sums for you. For the practice, for the better understood, you have to write down these extra sums into your fair book compulsory. Here is the sums. First is the 6 8s are. This is the one digit multiplication sum. 6 8s are 48. This is the quick exercise for you. 6 8s are 48. Then 6 7s are 42. 6 7s are 42. Then the next 6 6s are 36. Then the next one 6 6s are 36. Now the next one 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Then the next one 2 6s are 2 6s are 12. We have to write down this. 2 6s are 12. Then the next one 6 6s are 6 are 36. Then the next one 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. Then the next one 5 9s are 45. 5 9s are 45. Then the 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. Then the next one 2 5s are 10. Here is 2 5s are 10. Then the next one 1 5s are 5. Then the next one 6 5s are 30. Here is 6 5s are 30. Now the next one 2 9s are. 2 9s are is equal to 18. 2 9s are 18. Then the next one 4 5s are. 4 5s are 20. Here is 4 5s are 20. Then the next one 3 6s are. 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are is equal to 18. Then the next one 1 6s are 6. Then the 6 9s are 54. 6 9s are 54. And the last one 6 6s are is equal to 36. 6 6s are 36. Then the next 2 digit sums. This is also an extra sum. You have to note down these sums into your fair book and also write down. You have to in the rough book also. Here is 2 1s are 2 1s are 2. Here is 2 1s are 2. Then 2 2s are 4. So the product is 42. Then the next one 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. So the product is 84. Then the next one 2 3s are. 2 3s are is equal to 6 and 2 5s are is equal to 10. 2 5s are 10. So the product is 106. Then the next one 2 4s are. 2 4s are is equal to 8. 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So the product is 168. Then the next one 3 3s are. 3 3s are 9. What is the answer of this? 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. So the product is 129. Then the next one 3 2s are 6. What is the answer? 3 2s are 6. So 3 5s are 15. So the product is 156. Then the next one 2 4s are. 2 fours is equal to 8 and 2 sixes is equal to 12. So the product is 128. Then the next one, 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4 and 2 nines is equal to 18. So the product is 184. Now the next one, 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. 4 twos are 8 and 4 fives are 20. So the product is 208. Then the next one, 4 ones are 4 4 and 4 sevens are 28. So the product is 284. 1 6 are 6 and 1 nines are 9. So the product is 96. Then the next one, 1 sevens are 7 and 1 threes are 3. So the answer is 37. Now today's topic is multiplying, regrouping tens. We have to regrouping the tens. So you already know this, but this is the topic only. You already know that how to regrouping the tens. So let's see the example first, and here is the step 1. So step 1 is multiply 3 with 1's value. So here is 3 twos are 6. What is 3 twos are 6? Then the step 2 is multiply 3 with 10's value. Nothing change in this. We have to follow the same steps. 3 fours are 12. So we are getting the answer in 2 digit in the tens place. So you can call it the regrouping. Now here you can see this. We are getting the answer in the 2 digit. 3 fours is equal to 12. So you can see this. We are getting the answer in the 2 digit. This 2 digit, it means we are regrouping the tens. So let's do these 2 digits together. 3 twos is equal to 6. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fours is equal to 12. So you can see this. We are getting the answer in the 3 digit. Whenever you are getting the answer in the 2 digit, it means the regrouping. Now you can see this. We are solve this sum and getting the product, which is 126. You can see this. We are getting the answer in the 2 digit. For the tens value, 3 fours is equal to 12. So we are regrouping this because we are getting answer in the 2 digit. Now the next one, I have example for you. So first step is multiply 2 with the 1's value. So here is 2 threes are 6. Then the step 2 is 2 threes are 6. We have to multiply 2 with the tens value. 2 threes are 6 and 2 sevens are 40. So you can see this. We are getting answer in the 2 digit again. So you can call it, we are regrouping the sum. Now let's do both the steps together. 2 threes are 6 and 2 sevens are 14. You can see this. We are getting the product in the 3 digit. We are getting answer in the 3 digit. The next one, multiply 3 with the 1's value. So here is 3 twos is equal to 6. Then the step 2 is multiply 3 with the tens value, which is 3 fives are 15. Let's do the steps together. 3 twos are 6 and 3 fives are 15. You can see this. We are getting the product in the 3 digit. Then the next one, step 1 is 2 twos are 4. We are multiplying 2 with the 1's value. 2 twos are 4. And in the step 2, we are multiplying 2 with the tens value, which is 2 6 are 12. Let's do both the steps together. 2 twos are 4 and 2 6 are 12. So thank you very much students for watching this video, and to solve the sums by yourself you have to learn and write the tables. and you have to write down all the extra sums into your fair book and wait for the next lecture. Stay home, stay safe students. Bye bye.